Hi guys, I went to Ulta and I got some Drunk Elephant skincare, and then I got a new bubble because I ran out. So this is Cloud Surf, and then these are 3 different kinds of serums. So I'm gonna unbox these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I unboxed my bubble. Now I'm going to unbox my serums and Drunk Elephant, so we'll be back. And these are the Drunk Elephant serums. So I'm gonna go do my skincare and I'll be back, so yeah. Okay, I got my skincare out, so now I'm gonna do it off camera because the time zone is right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's done now. I'm going to put my new serums on, so I'll be right back, or one. All right, I'll be right back. Hydration one. Okay, I put the serum on. It's burning a little bit. I don't know why, but now I'm gonna bubble. I put my bubble on. It stopped burning, so I'm done. Like and subscribe.